everyone? It's your main man, Special Ed, coming from you from this great state of Maine. Great day. So on another ride. So just to kind of recap where he came from last ride, I was talking about the story idea that I've had banging around in my head for years, like 10 years or so. So just kind of recap what that story is all about. It's about, so you got this group of data raiders that are kind of modern day, new agey hackers type folk that are in the process of trying to get information back from the professor, because the professor has stolen the internet and all information and everything that's connected to the internet, the infonet as he calls it, and he's outlawed education and everything that goes along with it, the sharing of information. Only the professor says who can have what information. So because of that, he can rule the masses a lot easier because he's got total control. So the data raiders are fighting back. So they end up having to steal information, and they have to do it through kind of a network of different people with different abilities. So you've got, so the data raiders have ghosts, which would be kind of how we would view like modern day hackers, where they're the ones that the digital experts are the ones that can kind of go onto the internet, find the information, and steal it. And then they have to send it someplace, because they can't just like download it to wherever they want to put it, because as soon as they access it, the professor knows what's up and sees what's going on. So because of that, they have to send it someplace else instead of just like a data storage. So they'll download it to another terminal where a runner will be waiting. Somebody who's their specialty is to just be able to outrun those that are coming to try and retrieve the stolen data. So they'll download it onto a storage device, like a USB device, have it in their possession, and now it's their job to get the information from the downloaded port to the rest of the renegades, where they can download it, process it, and you figure out how to use it. So they'll download it, run it. The professor had already been aware that the download has occurred, so he's going to send people to go after them. So while the runners are running, there's people obviously chasing them. So the renegades also have people whose specialty is prevent people from catching the runners. They're called blockers. So the blockers do just that. They block the people that are trying to get the runners. Their sole job is to stand in the way, slow down, prevent the professor from retrieving the information that was just stolen. And then you have a much smaller elite group which can do all the above. They can go to a terminal, they can download it, and then they can run, and they don't need a blocker. They've got their techniques down, but they can do it all by themselves. So very, very, very few of those are in the renegades. So then then on the other end of the coin, that's working for the Information Protection Agency, the IPA. So they're the ones that safeguard all the information that the professor has stolen. That's his kind of Gestapo, if you will, that will make sure that nobody has access to his info. So he's got the gatekeepers, which are the opposite of the ghosts. They're the people that guard the information digitally. There's digital watch guards. They're on the infonet, guarding all that stuff, monitoring all access to any information, and anytime the internet has anything that happens on it. A gatekeeper is watching it. And if information is going to be released, it's only with the permission of a gatekeeper, unless somebody finds a go-around. So you have the gatekeepers, and you have the hunters. So the hunters are just that. They're the ones that are going out to the area where the information's been downloaded, the area where stuff has been shared. And so they're going to go there to try and figure out where the information is, where it went, kind of the digital detectives. And then you've got the enforcers. So the enforcers are exactly that. They're the ones that are just the iron fist of the professor. If anybody finds out that something's wrong, they suspect that anything's wrong, they will crush you. They will go in and do what needs to do to make sure that you and everybody around you knows not to steal information or to share or to learn or anything like that. So those are the 6 different groups of people, I guess 7 if you include the kind of specialists, that are different types of people that are in this story. So the story is all about kind of the push and pull between all those entities and all those different moving parts. So if that's something that you think would be cool, that interests you in those characters and how all that stuff works in the story, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, hit that bell icon so you can be notified of more two-wheel tales. Alright everyone, talk to you soon. See ya!